Hello, dear wizards and witches. Welcome back to our channel, IK Future Leaders. Before we dive into today's fascinating topic, make sure you check out our previous episodes in the playlist to stay updated with the magical world of Harry Potter. Today, we will explore the wizarding families of the Harry Potter series, understand their significance, and learn how we can apply their values and lessons to our own lives. Let's begin. 1. The Malfoy family, the aristocrats of the wizarding world. The Malfoys are a wealthy and influential pure-blood family who take great pride in their lineage. Lucius Malfoy, the head of the family, is known for his ties to the Ministry of Magic and his support for Voldemort. His son, Draco Malfoy, is raised with a sense of superiority over Muggle-borns, reflecting his family's ideology. However, as the series progresses, we see Draco struggling with the weight of his family's expectations. This teaches us an important lesson: blindly following family traditions without questioning them can lead to personal conflict. In real life, many people inherit beliefs from their families, but true wisdom lies in questioning and evolving. 2. The Weasley family, love over wealth. In contrast to the Malfoys, the Weasleys are a warm and loving family, known for their humility, kindness, and strong moral values. Despite their financial struggles, they prioritize love and unity over wealth and social status. Arthur and Molly Weasley raise their children to be compassionate, courageous, and open-minded. The Weasley family reminds us that true wealth lies in relationships, not in money. In our world, many chase material success, but at the end of the day, what truly matters is the love and support of our family and friends. 3. The Potter family, sacrifice and legacy. Harry Potter comes from a noble lineage of wizards. His parents, James and Lily Potter, sacrificed their lives to protect him from Voldemort, showing the ultimate act of love and bravery. Their legacy lives on through Harry, who carries their values of courage, selflessness, and determination. This teaches us that our legacy is not just about wealth or status but about the values we pass on to others. Just like the Potters, we can leave a lasting impact by standing up for what is right. 4. The Black family, a tale of two paths. The Black family is another old pure-blood family with strong beliefs in blood purity. However, within the family, we see two very different paths: Sirius Black, who rebels against his family's ideology, and Bellatrix Lestrange, who fully embraces it. Sirius chooses to follow his own path, proving that family background does not define one's destiny. This is a powerful lesson for all of us: we are not bound by the expectations or mistakes of our ancestors. We have the power to shape our own future. Applying these lessons in real life. 1. Question traditions. Like Draco, we should not blindly follow what we are taught but develop our own beliefs. 2. Prioritize love over wealth. The Weasleys teach us that relationships matter more than money. 3. Leave a meaningful legacy. Like the Potters, we should focus on passing down values, not just material wealth. 4. Choose your own path. Sirius Black shows us that we are not defined by where we come from, but by the choices we make. Conclusion: the magic of choice. Every wizarding family in Harry Potter teaches us something valuable. Whether it's the Malfoys' struggle with identity, the Weasleys' love and warmth, the Potters' sacrifice, or the Blacks' divided loyalties, each story reflects real-life lessons. As we continue this series, we will explore more magical aspects of the Harry Potter world. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to IK Future Leaders for more inspiring content. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we dive into another fascinating topic. Until then, remember, it is our choices, far more than our abilities, that show who we truly are.